Today I'll be showing you how to use Suno AI, an incredible tool that uses artificial intelligence to create unique audio tracks. With Suno AI, you can generate songs, background music, or even short beats, perfect for adding a custom touch to your content. Whether you're making YouTube videos, Instagram stories, or just love experimenting with new tech, Suno AI has something to offer. Suno AI is designed to help you create audio content quickly and easily using the power of AI. You just type in a description of the music you want, and Suno AI takes care of the rest, generating a customized track that matches your prompt. It's great for people who don't have a lot of experience with music production, but still want high-quality audio for their projects. On the homepage, there are a few main sections. At the top, you'll find a menu bar with options like Explore, Create New, and Library. The Explore section lets you discover existing tracks generated by other users, so you can get a feel for what's possible with Suno AI. The Create New button is where you'll start your own music project, and Library is where all your saved tracks will be stored, so you can easily revisit and download them later. Below that, you'll see a featured section showcasing some popular AI-generated tracks. This can be really helpful if you're looking for inspiration or want to explore different styles and moods before creating your own music. Let's dive right in. I'll show you how I created a custom track using Suno AI. We'll go through each step, starting with crafting the right prompt to get the exact vibe we want. To make the most of Suno AI, I actually used ChatGPT to help me fine-tune the prompt. Here I asked ChatGPT to come up with specific themes and even some example lyrics or keywords. This really helps Suno AI generate a track that matches exactly what I'm looking for. It's a great hack to use if you're not sure how to word your prompt. Just ask ChatGPT for some inspiration. Now you have to copy this and paste it in the song description. Here's the final product from Suno AI after generating the song based on our prompt. You can see that Suno AI provides playback options, so you can listen to the track right away. If you like the result, you can download it directly or adjust your prompt if you want to tweak the sound a bit. Suno AI makes it super easy to iterate and experiment with different sounds. Let's hear what happened with this song.
Grew up in the shadows, now I'm chasing light. All this grit, raw ambition got me taking flight. Started from the bottom, dirt under fingernails. Now I'm on the ground, blazing through my own trails.
Haters try to stop me, walls everywhere. Tunnel vision like never show despair. Rocks in my path, turn them into stepping stones. Now I'm on top, made a kingdom from bones. Angels try to...
Let's look at how I crafted my prompt. I'm typing a specific description to give Suno AI clear guidance on what I want. I'm aiming for motivational rap track, perfect for a background in a workout video or something that adds a bit of intensity. The key to a great result is being specific in your prompt. Mention the mood, style, and any elements you want Suno AI to emphasize, like rhythm or tempo.